Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pittsylvania County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chatham, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alta Vista, Hurt, Chatham, Gretna, Blair's, Mount Airy, and Dry Fork.